Hi, my name is Angie, and I would like to take a moment to thank ABT for such an amazing opportunity that they are supporting teachers for this valuable 3-day training. Face to face, it was a really interesting experience for me. I have learned a lot, and there is a lot to take with me. I would like as well to take the opportunity to thank the valuable Mr. Chris. He was such an incredible person. We have learned a lot.
It was an opportunity to learn intensively, especially in classroom management and with your strategies. The coach or the instructor alone is giving us information based on his experience. It was so nice. Me, basically, as a professional,
and helped me a lot in how to run the class, how to take care of a student, the regulatory that the school can work with. So it was brilliant actually. And I would like also to thank Mr. Kras. He was brilliant, he was helpful, and he made the classes engaging so we can learn a lot.
Hence, I would like to take the opportunity to reflect on the 3 days of training into East Bridge training. It was an intensive and insightful hands-on experience, interactive, very having a lot of activities through this training. The training is on teaching skills.
I want to thank Khadija and my trainer, Mr. Chris, and also my friends. And we had a great experience, and he taught us very much strategies and all. We had advanced level training in teaching. It was so nice. It was nice experience. Thank you so much.
And this live class was very amazing. The instructor was very good, and he engaged us in a good way. He presented every aspects of the class, and we started with behavioral theories and all, and goes through strategies which we can use in the class. And we ended up with a live session of, we created our own PBL lesson plan and presented it, and our instructor gave us feedback, and in every aspect it is very good class, and thank you all. And also I got experienced teachers as co-learners. They also help us to give more information from their daily experience.